Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will we will try to know the functions of this Sound Liberty 92 true wireless earbuds from the brand of Tautronics. Okay, so take note this one. This is the right side and this is the left side of these earbuds. Then before you will use your or these earbuds, just make sure your Bluetooth connection is activated or switch into on. Okay, so these earbuds also, if you will automatically take out on this charging case, it will be automatically on and ready to pair. Okay, so if you already on your Bluetooth on your device, try to look the device which name Tautronics Sound Liberty 92. Okay, so Tautronics Sound Liberty 92, if you already found on the available devices for Bluetooth connection, just click and connect. Okay, so we have here the right and for the left earbuds. So I will give the information on how to use these earbuds for or just the basic functions of these. Okay, let's take for example, or let's take that you are playing a music. So when you are playing a music, make sure your volume is switched into low level for the first time so that you can be safe, or we will avoid the intense volume on your ears. Okay, so let's suppose this earbuds already connected on your ears, and then, or I mean already in your ears, then we are playing already a music. So when you wish to add volume on the music, just tap here on the right side for the additional volume once. Tap once here on the multifunction touch control. So bear in mind that you have here on the side portion, together with this indicator light here, here is the touch control button of your earbuds for the right side and for the left side. Okay, so when you wish to add a volume on your music, okay, so just tap here for the touch control, just one tap. Okay, so if you wish to add a volume, just how many volume or level of your volume wish to be play in your music, just tap here on the right side once. Then if you wish to minimize the volume of your music or sounds, just tap one here on the touch control button of your earbuds once also. Okay, so just once only. For the right side is for additional, and for the left side is to minimize the volume. Okay, then when you are wish to play or pause the music, which button would, or how many times or how many taps would you like to or needed to touch on your touch control button of your earbuds? Okay, so now for the right side and both for the left side, if you wish to play or pause, just tap either of them, either of these earbuds times 2. Okay, before in the volume, just one tap, but for the play or pause is tap twice, 1 2, or either left side, you will use left side to play or pause the music, just tap the touch control into multiples of 2. Okay, then when you wish to next or preview the music played from your phone, you will tap either for the next, this is for the right side, tap 3. Okay, 3 times, 1 2 3, that is for the next music. And for the previews, okay, you want to preview your music, just tap for the left earbud. Okay, here in the touch control, tap thrice or times 3, 1 2 and 3. Okay, got it? So that's for the playing a music. How about if when you are receiving a call? So when you are receiving a call, bear in mind this is for the right, this is for the left ear. Okay, so when you are receiving a call, would you like to receive a call? Any of these earbuds can be possible to answer the call. Just touch the touch control or tap the touch control once to accept the call. Okay? To accept the call is tap the touch control button once. Okay? Now, if you want to hang up the call, if you want to hang up the call or to decline the call, okay? To decline the call or to hang up the call, just long press here on the touch control, either on the right side or left side of your earbuds into 2 seconds. Just long press in around 2 seconds, then the call will be automatically declined or to end the call or to hang up the call. Okay, so I hope you got the basic functions of these Tautronix Sound Liberty 92 through wireless stereo earbuds. Okay, so if you have any more questions regarding about these Sound Liberty 92 Tautronix earbuds, just comment down below. Then if you wish to add more or request some videos, just comment also below. Then for your additional information and for the uh, general information about these earbuds, you can visit also or try to look on the user guide of the Sound Liberty 92 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Okay, so keep safe and enjoy listening music and these very comfortable Tautronix earbuds and quality made brought to you by Tautronix. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Keep safe. Regale!